Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download any song from the YouTube Studio app to your phone for free. Recently, I have got a comment from one of my viewers about this same topic saying, bro, make how to download song from YouTube Studio free and listing offline. Please, it is simple and easy to do. Just make sure you watch this video to the end and follow the step carefully. If you miss a single step, you will have yourself to blame. One thing I like about YouTube Studio song, it's copyright free. That means you can use it in your video, short, and post it on YouTube without getting the copyright. It is legal to use. It is free to use. Not to waste much of the time, not often. But I hope you are not forgetting something. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Let's go. Go to your Chrome browser and in the search bar, enter studio.youtube.com and click enter. Once you are in your YouTube Studio app, tap the last icon at the bottom. That's the YouTube audio library icon. Now from there, you'll be given access to the music and sound effect available in the audio library app. If you are not seeing what you're looking for, go to the search tab and enter what you're looking for. Just tap what you want to download and click enter. Now let me go to the music tab. Now I'm on the music tab. Then just tap on any of this song to preview. Once you don't preview the song, swipe to the right and click download. Very simple and easy to do. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you also want to download some from Spotify to your phone or from Audio Mac to your phone, you can click the pinned comment in the video to watch that video, or just check out on my YouTube channel. It will be available. You can watch it and learn all those methods. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching.